Hello friends, be ready for legal passage. 3, 2, 1, start. Whether this bench should consider the correctness of an order passed by the Governor of Uttar Pradesh refusing to grant sanction for prosecution of Ms. Mayawati and Shri Nasimuddin Siddiqui is the prime question involved in this application. Stop next para. A public interest litigation was entertained by this court in a writ application filed by the writ petition. Stop. This court, with a view to ensure proper maintenance of cultural heritage of India as also the ecology, has been passing orders in the writ petition from time to time. Stop next para. A project known as Taj Heritage Corridor project was initiated by the government of Uttar Pradesh. Stop. One of the main purpose for which the same was undertaken was to divert the river Yamuna and to reclaim 75 acres of land between Agra Fort and the Taj Mahal and use the reclaimed land for constructing food plazas, shops and amusement activities. Stop. The said activities on the part of the government of Uttar Pradesh was brought to the notice of this court. Stop. An exception thereto was taken. Stop. A detailed inquiry was directed to be made by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). Stop. Upon consideration of the report submitted before it by CBI, this court in its order dated 18/9/2003 directed it to register a first information report and make further investigation in accordance with law. Stop. CBI investigated into the matter, including the roles played by Miss Mayawati, the then Chief Minister, and Mr. Nasimuddin Siddiqui, the then Minister for Environment, Government of Uttar Pradesh. Stop. Investigations were also carried out against some officers. Stop para. CBI was later on asked to furnish a self-contained note as regards its findings against the erring officers and holders of public posts. Stop. A detailed report was submitted by it. Stop. A question arose as to what directions, if any, should be issued by this court having regard to the conflict in opinions expressed by different authorities of CBI in regard to Miss Mayawati and Mr. Nasimuddin Siddiqui. Stop. Next para. The said question was considered by this court in its judgment and order dated 27/11/2006 in MC Mehta Taj Corridor Scam vs. Union of India and others 2007 1 SCC 110. Stop. Next para. Indisputably, the said order of this court has been complied with. Stop. It now appears that the learned special judge directed CBI to obtain sanction of the Governor of Uttar Pradesh, by reason of an order dated 3/6/2007. The Governor of Uttar Pradesh has refused to accord the same. Stop para. Mr. Krishna Mahajan, learned amicus curiae, who has been assigning this court very ably in the matter, filed an application, comma, inter alia, comma, praying for, colon, para, in the light of the facts and circumstances mentioned above, it is most humbly prayed that this honorable court may kindly be pleased to issue an appropriate writ direction or order, colon, para, concerning the legal validity of the CBI seeking a sanction for the prosecution of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Miss Mayawati and Minister Nasimuddin Siddiqui under Section 197 CRPC by calling for the records of the materials it placed before the Governor of seeking such sanction. Stop. Next para. Directing the CBI to produce a copy of the June 3, 2007 sanction order of His Excellency the Governor of UP passed in consonance with the case pending before the special judge competent court based on FIR RC 006 2003 A 0018. Stop. Next para. Passing appropriate directions on the legal validity or otherwise of the June 3, 2007 order of His Excellency the UP Governor refusing under Section 197 within bracket 1 CRPC sanction for the prosecution of Chief Minister Miss Mayawati and Minister Nasimuddin Siddiqui in relation to FIR RC 006 2003 A 0018 registered against them by the CBI pursuant to the September 18, 2003 order of this Honorable Court in IA 376 in CWP 13381 oblique 1984 and the investigation on which with the opinion of the CBI Superintendent of Police was directed by this Honorable Court on November 27, 2006 to be placed before the concerned court oblique a special judge for deciding the matter in accordance with law. Stop. Next para. Declaring that the sanction orders passed under Section 197 within bracket 1 CRPC are in the public domain and hence cannot be classified as secret. Stop. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये रही आपकी लीगल डिक्टेशन। आई होप आप लोगों को लिखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई होगी। फ्रेंड्स, अगर जिसका भी मैटर छूटता है तो उसको अपना मोरल डाउन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आप सभी को पता है कि कोई भी चीज़ हमें एक दिन में नहीं आती है या बहुत जल्दी नहीं आ जाती है। उसके लिए हमें बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है। सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, आपको बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट मिलेंगे। सो मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।